Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about integrity constraints, part of database management system course. In SQL, integrity constraints are used to enforce rules on the data in a database. There are several types of integrity constraints, including primary keys, foreign keys, and unique constraints. A primary key is a column or set of columns that uniquely identifies each row in a table. A table can have only one primary key, and it cannot contain null values. A foreign key is a column or set of columns that refers to the primary key of another table. Foreign keys are used to enforce relationships between tables and to ensure the integrity of the data. A unique constraint is a rule that ensures that the values in a column or set of columns are unique across all rows in a table. Here is an example of creating a primary key in SQL. This statement creates a table called customers with a primary key on the customer ID column. And here is an example of creating a foreign key in SQL. This statement creates a table called orders with a primary key on the order ID column and a foreign key on the customer ID column that references the customer ID column in the customers table. Integrity constraints are an important part of the database design and are used to ensure the integrity and consistency of the data in the database. It is important to understand how to use integrity constraints properly to ensure that your data is accurate and well organized. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.